Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing some exercise for draw cable tray in Revit. So this is some of the panels and how we can draw the cable tray. So this is for new beginners. So how to place the panel I will show you one more time. So if you go to system tab, then take electrical equipments from here. So then you can get lot of panels whichever whichever family you have, you can get it that one. For example, I am using this smdb and I am placing one smdb over here, and another one I am placing here, and even if you required over here. So here maybe there will be no space to open this one, so I can move it this one like this, and copy like this, and I just need to make another smdbs like that. So for example, if you how to give a panel name, this one, so just select this one and go to in the property bar you can get here panel name. So for example, I am just giving this name smdb 02. Sorry, smdb, just type smdb 02, and this one I am just giving name smdb 0, smdb 03, and this one I can give a some name smdb 04, and this is already I think having one number like I can change this one smdb 01, and this one I can give a 05, smdb 05, like that. And we need to give the tag for this one, just tg for the tag, and you can give the tag like this. Simply you can give the tag like this. Just give the tag tagging like that. You can just give the tag for dbs and everything like this. You can stretch it, and beautifully you can arrange it. And this one also you can give the tag like that, and even for this one also you can give the tag like this and stretch it like that. And even for this one also you can give the tag like this, and this one also you can give the tag like that. So automatically it will come. So how to draw the cable tray? So cable tray, if you need to do, I have created one view template over here. So from the view template you can go to here filter. So you just need to add a different cable tray filters over here. So I have another video for that, how to create a filters and everything, so that you can look it for my video section. Otherwise I will give the link in the descriptions how to filter these things. And I'm just clicking ok, and I need to draw a cable tray. For example, if you need to draw a cable tray, go to the system tab. From this the draw panel you can take the cable tray from here. So if, for example, if you need a 600 cable tray, you just need to choose the 600 cable tray, and it is coming from this panel. Just then you need to change the service type first. So I'm just giving like a service type 1, and then I just need to draw cable tray like this. So for example, it is going like that this way, and it is automatically coming like that. And you can draw the cable tray like this up to the riser. So simply you can make the cable tray like this, and if even the keyboard arrow down key, down down arrow, you can choose that one. And if you go to the 3D view, just you can see the cable trays running like this. And then you need to drop the cable tray, means you can just come up over here and just stretch it this one, and just go to here and go to view, and you can drop the cable tray from here like this. Draw cable tray and just drop to the panel. So that was correct. So then you can go to the 3D view, you can see the that was dropping to the panel also. So other cable tray, I need to run another cable tray. So just go to here, and if you want to change the size of the cable tray for 50, then you need to change the service type. For example, this is 2, and then you just need to run a cable tray from here. Just click on over here and just run through the cable tray like this, and you can come up over here and you can drop up to here. other cable tray also you can do the same thing, like you can change the LV type 3, and it is coming from here, and just need to run the cable tray like this, so you can draw the cable tray wherever you require. So if you need to take a branch, then select this one and create similar. Then you can create a similar, and you can make a cable tray like this. And if you want to change the size of the cable tray again, then you select it from here and make it as a 300. So automatically what will happen, the reducer will come, and you can draw the cable tray wherever you require. So if you want to change the height of the cable tray, so you can change this one from here 3500. So I'm just giving that one, so just give like that. And I think this is also the level is different, so just we need to change the level. For example, I am just changing this level to 3000. 3000, so we can see delete the elements, so just we can see how it's work. And we just need to see how it's run. uh, See, the cable trays are there, but this cable tray, I think this one also in a different level, so just need to change that one. So if you go to the 3D view, just see all the cable trays are coming up in the same levels or different levels like that. So this cable tray is different level. So how we can connect that one, you can go to the top view of the 3D view, and then select this one and pick it over here, and just uh, drop connected to that, so the different level it will come. And the same thing, like another cable tray you need means to create similar, and this will, we can say, like LV4, and change this one, like we can say like 750 so it will come from here. And for example, here you need to come here and just need to cross like this, so automatically it will come like that. And if you want to run like this, so the cable tray will run like this. So you can move it this one little bit like this, and you can see the how it's run. You just need to go to look in the 3D, so you can see clearly, you can see the cable tray is running like that. So if you need to arrange a different layer of the cable tray, so what we can do, we just need to take a section, so over here, just move the sections and go to view, and you can see here the cable tray. So you need above one more cable tray, so just copy this one and just make it how much distance you required, you can make it that one. And if you can look the 3D view, so you can see all the cable trays running like that. But the cable tray, it was, this is the cable trays in the top level, so it was not connect, not come to here. So just need to draw cable tray from here and just come up over here, and just you need to enter the electrical room, so you can do it like that. So if you look in the 3D view, so some clashes you will be get, right? Maybe it was not clashing with another cable tray, so no worry, so it will come like that. So the all the cable tray you can drop down to the panels also. Sorry, just select the like this, and you can drop to the panel also. So how to drop the panel, you need to make a sections first. So just go to the section, and just go to view, and you can drop the cable tray from here, draw cable tray, and just need to drop the panel like this. And if you can see that it was in the in dropping to the panel, right? So like that we can make a different cable trays in Revit. So just need to take a branch, then create similar, and you can just take a branch like this. So automatically what will happen, the T junctions will be developed, and you can go to the 3D view, it will be look like that. And if you stretch it down, so you can clearly see the cable trays are going like that. From here you want to make another branch, so create similar. Then we just need to make a different cable tray branch you need. So you can take that one, for example 450 cable tray to this lift, so you can make it like that, so automatically that will create. So this is the one method. And for example, you need to give some other cable tray branches over here also, you can give the cable tray like draw cable tray. You just need to take the cable tray like this, and then you can make up to here, and again you need to change the size, so you can just make it like this, and it will come like that. And if you need to change the elevations, so you can make the elevation different elevations, and you can connect it to wherever you require. So if you look in the 3D view, so automatically the bend will be come up over there. So maybe some decks or something like that is passing means you can make it like that. The overall the 3D view, you can see it's over here, so you can clearly see all the cable trays are running like that. So simple exercise, those who are working in the Revit. So if you like my video, we just need to support me and like my videos. And if you have any comments, please comment in my comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.